To record again. I need to get a win. I just can't get a win. It's so annoying. I just keep getting ruined by tryhards that do take the L like me. I'm so bad at Fortnite. Bad at Fortnite. Like, everyone's gotten better at Fortnite. Like, ages ago, like season 2, season 1, everyone was so bad, including me. Everyone was so bad. No one built. No one did anything.
And then there was me.
Yeah, and then Myth came around and just showed everyone how to do his stuff. And then they're like, oh, that's a good idea. We should actually build. And now everyone does stuff like that. Look, what is he doing? Far out. So what do? So I try and kill these tryhards that think they're Myth. Well, Myth's trash. Like, Myth's trash. I'm way better. Myth's just terrible. Like, watch me. I'm twice as good as Myth. The Django, the mango. If I actually get killed by him, I'm gonna laugh so hard. The Django, the mango. I miss an ammo box because I need a gun.
On the top part, still open that.
Let's go! YouTube sees Sebzu. No one cares about you. Oh, yeah. Don't go to his channel. Just stay on mine. It's better. See, because I just killed him. I'm better. Even though, yeah, I'm better. Even though he didn't have a gun. Wait, did he have a gun? Still counts. The other game, I was trying to do pump to hand cannon, right? And all my hand cannon shots were missing. It was so annoying. I'm about to do it right now. Whoops.
You don't solve your weapons.
No. 3 and 4 is actually so easy to reach. And that's the default for Fortnite. I actually love my key bindings, but they're so weird. Like, I've got cap locks to switch to my med. Six. Yeah, I don't care. I just scrolled to that one. Oh, I'm gonna sweat on these people. I'm just gonna spray them with that thing. With the rocket. Oh, these guys are about to rage so hard. If I can find them. Do this way?
Frames just drop.
I don't know, did they? Where are my frames?
You have zero.
I have 0 frames. Wait, where did my frames go? It doesn't even tell me my frames.
Maybe they did that in the update.
Hold on. Where's show frame? Oh, it's on this one. Show frames. On. There we go. 140. My PC isn't the best. But it's alright. I just heard a beep beep beep. Is that from the battle pass? Oh no.
Although would you say?
They're so good. If you want to be such a tryhard and just spam people, this is the gun.
I'd rather the normal grenade launcher.
The grenade launcher or the rocket launcher.
The grenade launcher.
I'd rather both.
Yeah. I'd rather the old one because it's 6. And
Yeah, but this is better than the guided.
oh yeah, for sure. Why is that too bad?
Yeah.
It's big crap.
Remember when they used to shoot backwards?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so stupid. Why was there only one person that landed paradise? Explain to me, please. I'd like to know.
Everything's purple, right?
Ready? What? There was only one. Spewing, mate. Oh. Yeet. Spewing, mate. Alright. I'm gonna get a win. I don't care how many kills I get. I just want to get at least more than 5, surely. I just want to win. I haven't got a win in a while. Yeah, aye, bruh. Whoa. Why is there?
Skip one, good.
What am I doing? What the heck? They were cheating. They were teamed. And then I killed his mate. That's why he wanted to die. That's what I reckon.
Yeah.
That's what I reckon. I don't want anyone getting that and spamming me with it. So maybe just... Oh my god. I didn't get hit. Wait, did you say there was someone at Broken?
Yeah, I saw. It might have been the bear, but
Wait, where's Broken? That one.
yeah. It might have been the bear, but you know.
Oh.
Kids.
What? The actual fook.
That would have been close.
Yeah. What are you doing, buddy?
What did the kid do?
Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh my god. I was trying to reload.
He's pushing, bro. Got a build.
Oh my god.
My sensitivity is higher than yours.
So trash.
He's gonna trap you, bro.
How did that happen?
You face through his floor, bro. The loot.
That's retarded.
Wait, Cooper, my controller sensitivity is higher than his.
The boys are just watching me win a solo match. Oi, Cooper, I'm recording. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, bro.
Nice.
If I win.
You still put it on YouTube, so have you tried?
Yep, we tried. Me and the boys tried. Tried but didn't succeed.
Oh mate, I'll hang this up for you. now you feel extended.
No, I can just.
Now you feel extended.
No,
Cooper, mine's already extended.
no, I mean like the tip point.
Put it down now, bro. You don't have to. I wish I had a bigger desk, bro.
My controller, like that.
And you know what else I like about the TV as my monitor?
Why?
Because everyone can watch it.
Yeah, that's true.
I can
Oh,
hear
it's
someone.
person, yeah.
No.
Oh, he's on the new buggy. They're so good. It's retarded. What's guy there? You could have just trapped him in a box.
Yeah, but I was scared.
Oh, just get on the card and go. Just get on the card and go.
See you, boys.
You know, Mel?
See you, boys. See you, boys. See you, boys. Ah!
What's going on here? Double barrel's trash. Oh, he doesn't even know.
Oh! There's two now. Don't you think there's two now?
Yeah, there is.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
We've
Probably
done
thinks
that.
there's three.
On 160 materials.
Actually. That's weird. If he does, he rest in peace, the chin. Ooh, the big whopper.
Streamer.
Streamer by the way, dude.
Took like 7 hours to break. It's only wood as well.
He's running.
Relay.
Look at double, bro. He's probably in this hut a bit, yeah.
Oh! Let's go! Oh! Oh! I love my headset. That was all my headset, and this is the gayest headset I have. My good headset broke.
Oh, is it? Oh, that's the trash one, bro.
Yeah, this is the one from Kmart, bro.
Is it actually?
Yeah, and it just helped me get that mad kill.
Oh, the lag.
Don't lag now. That was so good.
Yeah, you just want to. Surprise, motherfucker.
I am better than Myth. I told you, I'm better than Myth at the start of the video. I told you. No, it was the same game. Yeah. Well, if it wasn't the same game, I'll get the clip and I'll play it.
You have to make it YouTube Bob's your uncle.
No, I'm ABG Rust. I'm just playing on this account.
Oh, you did it. You did it. It's good.
Oh, look at that kid. That's at nothing. Yeah, it's trash.
Oh, I thought that was him, bro.
Oh my god.
You're lucky you had a double barrel there.
Or a heavy shotgun, you would still reckon. You don't use your compact. You're so you grab the minis. I mean, not the minis, the big bot.
Where was it?
It's inside the little where you were meeting up. In there. What? Oh yeah.
Yeah, what? And I got a mini, yeah, what? Ooh.
Someone's
Please!
got Daggle.
Wait, are you gonna grab the car?
Oh yeah, you might have.
True, bruh.
Imagine that guy still in my house.
Wait, is there anything I can hold in there?
Nah.
Bruh.
I'm taking this ramp out. I'm gonna skip on it. It's not good. And you take those full damage, literally you Oh yeah, I'm gonna play any day. I just have to do.
Oi, Friday Fortnite tournament.
Oh yeah.
It's squads. Us,
We need to get
us
Brockman.
three and no, Fuddy.
He doesn't play, he plays. Oh no, he's on holiday, that's the
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he.
Oh! Hurts, doesn't it? I'm just gonna be a
Hey,
ghost.
what about you the alligator intro or what, bro?
No.
Got it's Bob's run to you.
Back
What?
to another video.
How did he just shoot me like that?
Trees,
This kid's a tryhard. Oh,
Fuck!
I don't think you're allowed. I don't think you're allowed to post that on YouTube.
I'm posting it. I'm gonna be like, I'm done with this game.
double barrel doing no damage.
11 damage. You just
And you could have.
What is the double fucking barrel, cunt?